Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you Prawns Biryani. "500 grams of prawns, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon chili flakes, ½ lemon, handful of mint leaves. Mix well. Marinate for ½ an hour. Take bowl. 2 glass of biryani rice. Wash for 3 times. Now soak for ½ an hour. Boil water. Add whole biryani masala. 1 teaspoon oil. After the water boils, add soaked rice. Add ½ teaspoon salt. The rice should be 80% cooked. Now filter the rice. Add 5 tablespoon oil. Add whole biryani masala. Five chopped onions. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. ½ teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 2 chopped tomatoes. ½ tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. ½ tablespoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon biryani masala powder. Now add the prawns mixture. One teacup of water. Cook for 10 minutes. Now take some curry into a bowl. Add rice and curry and mint leaves for layers. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 2 teaspoons food color. Add mint leaves. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Turn off the stove and wait for 5 minutes. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.